But when I reflect on the work that I do with going out into the communities and talking about the stuff that I said, that you and I both said we see as a privilege when we're in someone's home, I just don't see AI being able to replicate or replace that kind of involvement. And for any technology that may be out there, I know that it gets really rudimentary when I'm out in the field. It's very much like we're just two people having a coffee and having a conversation, and it's the notebook. And if the most technical it gets is if they'll allow me to record the session, right? So that's but I don't see how you can have a conversation with somebody with a robot. I just don't see that happening. I would be surprised, and I don't know if a robot would ever be able to have the ability to have the empathy required to have those kinds of conversations, sensitive conversations with people who are upset, because it takes more than just listening to the words and interpreting them. It means understanding body language and tone of voice and those things that we can't even explain necessarily, that you just pick up from somebody. And I don't think that AI will ever, or any technology is ever going to be able to replace humans in that way. So I think this is a
No, I
profession
agree.
very much.
Yeah, that I definitely don't think SIA as a profession can be replaced and interchanged with robots. I think the worry is that we as a society, whether it's business or governments or professionals ourselves, would accept lower quality work where you could generate an SIA report with a chatbot, and reports are frequently supported by LLMs. But if it kind of will lose that specificity to the particular nuances of community, to being grounded in actual truth and scientific rigor, you can hallucinate a whole report and it won't be good. It won't be the practice of SIA. But I guess the worry is that people might accept a lower quality work, because I think SIA and social impact can already be hard to communicate the value of when it's not intuitive and it's not easy and it's very time intensive, but it's worth the work, and we can see the value being reaped by organizations that put in the work, regardless of whether they foresaw that outcome. They saw it was good in of itself and necessary and didn't need to be justified by business language. Social impact could be justified by the value of human life and experience. And so, yeah, I don't think SIA will ever be replaced by AI, but I think it brings in a conversation where we really need to advocate for and defend and articulate what the value of social impact is.